It's late November here in Nicaragua, and honestly, this is my favorite month of the whole entire year. The rains have eased off, and everything is verdant green, and it smells fresh. Everything just feels lush this time of year. The beach has been kind of leveled out by Mother Nature. Not everything's cleaned up yet. The community has done some cleanups and Mother Nature did her part, but there's still some debris at the water line, but that will be cleaned up soon, I am sure. There has been no sign of the really high winds that we get in January, February, March, so this leaves us with a nice, gentle, fresh breeze. The temperatures this time of year, they hover between mid-20s and high 20s, which is perfect for me. And of course, November is the start of the tourist season. So some of the tourists have already started trickling in. We've seen a few of them on the court already. But it is about to get busy all the way through April as the skies clear and the breezes pick up, which means that it's time for me to prep. A couple of weeks ago I actually started. You may have seen the video with me painting the court. I use this really nice court paint that I can get from Sur here in San Juan del Sur. Sur is the name of the paint brand. I taped off my lines with some 2-inch painter's tape and painted the whole court, and now the grip is really good. And now I've topped that off with a nice new fresh net, and yeah, it's really a joy to play again. Well, it always is a joy to play pickleball. I also treated myself to a few things that I want to share with you. I bought some new running shoes. This time I'm trying out some Ryka, I think that's how you pronounce it, R-Y-K-A, pickleball shoes. And so far they're great. I don't have them all the way broken in yet, so they don't feel super sturdy. That's actually something I'm missing from my ASICs, which I just finished using. My ASICs, well, I wear them almost every day, and I had them for about 2 years, and yeah, I wore them out. But yeah, those were a good fit. The Rykas, I think they will be a good fit. Right now, I'm not really feeling it because I I haven't really found out what the sweet spot is, like how tight to tie the laces yet, but I think I'll get there. And these shoes are designed specifically for women, so I am sure I'm going to have a good experience with them. I also bought a new Kinetics paddle, and I talked about my old paddle. I had some terrible pickle elbow or tennis elbow a couple of years ago, and with my Pro Kinetics Pro Flight, this has really saved me. It's kept me healthy and in the game. I also wear an armband, and I bought myself a new armband as well. So a new paddle, new shoes, new armband, and also a few other things for the court. I bought a fresh new net, like I said, and I bought some really bright red pickleballs from Franklin. These are called Franklin X, which are the balls that everybody loves, but usually they're yellow. They have different colors, and I really like the ember color, and that's what I bought this time. So I'll drop a link to all of those in the description in case you are preparing for your season as well, or if you just want to try some of these products. In addition to that, I put another coat of paint on our little practice area, and I've been pressure washing everything. I washed all of the cushion covers and put the cushions back out on the cement sofa. And all of the garden has been trimmed back because it just exploded over the rainy season. This year I feel like I'm more ready than ever, and I feel very hopeful, very happy, and I'm excited to see who comes to play this year. And before I go, check out the Christmas tree that I made out of broken pickleballs this year, and a worn out paddle. I'm sure that only my mother would be proud of this, and perhaps it might spark a little jealousy from Charlie Brown. But anyway, it is my design, and I did it by myself, largely by myself, and I'm pretty happy with it. Here's a little teaser for my next video. I'll be sharing an update on my solar system. Things didn't go as planned. I did have a few hiccups, but ones that I will share with you so that you can avoid those if you are planning on putting in a solar system yourself. So if you got anything out of this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.